learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this whole month, we're teaching you a phrase in Chinese and in Hakka. It comes in handy and it could describe different situations where someone is thanking someone, or maybe you're putting a lot of effort and you would say 辛苦了，
辛苦嘞，
辛苦嘞。那今天呢，我们来教大家在办公室里面好了，这个工作啊、资料啊准备好了，的确很辛苦，对不对？
对。
好，那老板也要鼓励一下员工嘛，对不对？一定要有这种辛苦的这种话出来才对。So in this scenario, how about in the office? 老板资料放在桌上喽。Hey boss, I got all the information you need on your desk.
調價，資料不用都作檔誒。
資料不用都作檔誒。Oh, 資料, so that actually is information, but in this case, in the office, it means any paperwork, any documents or files, that's 資料. But how about 放在桌子上了？这怎么说呢 ，Alice？ 请教我们一下。
不用都作檔誒。
不用都作檔誒。哦，在作檔打麻將。
哎呦，那千万不可。
怎么千万不可？可以啦。
好，那老板台路槍調價。
哦，調價被碰價。
哦，那最好啦。
听到調價反而要想到放假呢。老板的 different dialect for boss is 調價。All right， 那老板这是好老板的话，他就要鼓励嘛。很好，辛苦你 ，very good job, right？
哦，懂好，辛苦你嘞。
哦，懂好，辛苦你嘞。
那我就会回答，应该的。
应该的啊，这是
应该的。
哦 ，That is so sweet， 这么贴心，这么会回答哦，老板一定帮你加薪的。
Okay
对，这就是很好的一个互动了，对不对？
对，
是不是 ？Okay, this is a conversation between an employee and her manager or his manager, and then the manager saying, "Hey, good job," and then the employee just replying, "No problem, it's my job." You know. All right, let's review some of these terms such as 老板 manager or boss.
調價
and then the information packet or 資料 information.
資料
and 應該的 which means, it's my job, it's my pleasure, I should do this. 應該的應該的 and it's all about being hardworking and getting encouragement from the boss. 辛苦了
辛苦嘞
辛苦嘞也谢谢 Alice 教我们这么多客语辛苦咯辛苦嘞That is today's practical Hakka
什么大家
俺只say 张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.